to my channel. So today I'm going to start off my video by actually doing my makeup because I feel like that's where any good vlog starts, is doing your makeup, because I don't want to look like a crazy troll the whole time that I'm talking to you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup routine using the Vanity Planet Blend Party set of these oval brushes that I've been loving lately. I never knew that I needed something until I had these and I was like, wow, where have these been all my life? Guys, I'm going to show you how amazing they are and I'm going to talk about them a little bit. So thank you again, Vanity Planet, for sponsoring this video, and I'm going to get right into doing my makeup. So I'm going to take this little mini water cream that I got from this Atacha event, and it says that you can use any of the brushes for skincare, and I would agree with it. I've used the big ones and I've used the little ones, but I use this one only because it fits into the moisturizer. I would use a bigger brush if I had a bigger container, if that makes sense. These are extremely soft, high quality synthetic brushes that are packed tightly in order to create a flawless surface. I always loved using my hands to rub in my moisturizer, but like these just feel so much nicer, and I feel like the finish is just so much better than my hands have ever given me. After I use a moisturizer, I go in with the primer. This is the Burberry primer, and I feel like this really doesn't do much other than give you like a nice glow. So, you know, I'm just gonna go for it. I do like 3 pumps, which is probably a lot, and I feel like I might be wasting product, but. So the amazing part about these brushes is that they are so tightly packed that you won't lose any of the product between the bristles, and you're going to get every single last drop on your face, and none of it will go to waste. So now that I have prepped my face, is that the right word? I'm gonna go in with this Forever Undercover 24-hour full coverage by Dior. I love this foundation. Laura gave it to me and it really matches my skin color very nicely. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a bigger brush just because I want it to be like easier to apply it all, if that makes sense. I'm gonna use the same brush that I used my primer for, and I'm just going to dip into here. Oh my god, it's so pretty, this foundation. Oh, and by the way guys, these handles curve to your face for a more precise and consistent application, which, oh, it looks so nice. Holy, I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like every time I apply foundation, my skin just never looks like super flawless, if that makes sense. Like I always feel like it's bumpy or like streaky or something like that. With this brush, I literally feel like airbrushed. Sorry if the camera is a little bit off now. Somebody just called me, so I had to answer. I feel like I've given myself a spa day using these brushes. So next I'm going to be using my concealer. I'm going to use the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS. I also wanted to mention that I've been using these brushes for the last couple of weeks, and they're still just as beautiful as when I got them. So they're definitely really durable. They don't look any different. I feel like when I blend this out with a beauty blender, all the product goes away, so like I'm not actually covering my bags. The application, I know I've said this a million times already, is flawless. Like there are no streaks whatsoever on my eyes. I'm sorry, they look probably crazy right now because I don't have any setting powder on them. So next I'm going to go in with my setting powder because my eyes look crazy when they're super shiny underneath, and I want to show you how beautiful they can look. Just so you guys know, you can use these products with liquid or powders. I'm using this to set my under eye. And not to mention, these brushes are allergen free and they won't harbor any bacteria on them. I'm going to go in with my bronzer because I'm really fair skinned right now because I don't see the sun very often. And like I said, you can use these with powders or liquids. I just want you guys to like see what I'm seeing and feel what I'm feeling. Oh, and one of the best part about these brushes, I know I've said this because there's a million best parts about these brushes, is that they are 100% vegan and cruelty free. So, you know, for all you animal lovers out there, we got you covered. I'm like going down my neck because I'm just trying to make myself tanner than I actually am, okay? They're literally perfect. I know the lighting isn't like perfect because it's like right over here and not, but I think my skin looks pretty damn flawless. Since Vanity Planet is sponsoring this video, you know what that means. I have a promo code and it is CK Blend. CK Blend, I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. It's gonna be in my description. You get 70% off this set. I am so serious when I say this is one of the best things I've ever tried. Make sure you guys check out the link in my description. I promise you, you will not regret it. This is a work of art right here, okay? I wanted to do a little bit of a haul for you. I wanted to do a Sephora haul. I just got makeup yesterday. I literally went in for this. Ready? This grape water spray that I like. It just, I don't really think it does anything, but it feels really nice on the skin and it's like hydrating. It's like literally probably like 15 bucks, and I ended up walking out with $300 worth of makeup. So I wanted to show you guys what I got, yeah, I spent $272. So the first thing I did get was this grape water, and I literally go ham on this thing and it lasts me so long. After I moisturize, I spray this on my face because I feel like it, like, I don't know, it makes me feel all nice, and there's probably no point to this, but I like it, okay? The next thing I got it thinking about Coachella, which I haven't even bought tickets for, but it is this airbrush spray no commitment hair color by Hush. But I got pink and I got purple. I'm really excited. But yeah, I got these because I always dye my hair, which I don't mind dyeing my hair, but it's like really hard to get it back to blonde after you do dye your hair, so I gotta get the no commitment, you know what I'm saying. This next thing that I got, I don't really know why I got it. I think I was peer pressured into getting it because I saw a few people use it as a primer, and I don't really use primers, but I thought I would give it a try. It is this vitamin enriched face base by Bobbi Brown, and I don't remember, I think maybe I saw Laura using this. I'm not exactly sure who I saw using this, but I have seen it quite a few times, so I thought I would try it out. It's really expensive. It's $60. I don't know why I think that I need something that's $60. I was hoping to get the Tarte Shape Tape, which I can't pronounce for whatever reason, and I just found out that it's only exclusive to Ulta. So if you go into Sephora looking for the Tarte Shape Tape, it's not there. It's only in Ulta. So I got this Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof 12-Hour Concealer. It looks like this. I really like the way it applied to my hand. I don't know if that's like a good reference or not, but I thought I would try this out instead of the Tarte Tape Shape. I probably should not put this on because I still have to like wash my face, so let's not do that, Corinna. Why did I do that? Wow, that was like decent. I should have done that at the beginning of this video. I used to use this and it used to be one of my favorite foundations, and then I got really pale, and so I stopped using it because it's like the wrong color, but I got it again. It is the Luminous Silk Foundation by Giorgio Armani, and I used the shade, I think it's 4. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that the finish of this is like more dewy. That's why it's like Luminous Silk Foundation. I could be absolutely wrong. I'm hoping that that's what the finish is. I think that's what I thought that the finish was. I got this highlighter, this Fenty Beauty highlighter. I have never used another highlighter besides the Becca one, so I thought that I would try and use something else. I also don't think that the Becca one, personally for me, applies very well. I don't know if I'm just doing it wrong. I want to try this out. It's the Fenty Beauty. I also wanted to try out her foundations, but I fucked that up because I didn't grab them, but I'm really excited to try it out. It's Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal by Fenty Beauty. The packaging, you can't see it, but it's like has little tiny shimmers in it. So pretty. Yeah, that's what I got from Sephora. That was $300, which makes me want to rip my head off. I mean, I guess it was a decent amount of stuff, but it's also $300 that I won't ever get back. Well, I'll get it back in beauty.